Yeah, I'm Raghu Verabelli. I'm the managing partner of GGK Technologies. GGK, we are based in Hyderabad with about 1,000 employees. We are a 12-year-old company. We develop solutions and services primarily for customers in US, Europe, and in Australia. We specialize in healthcare. We develop healthcare solutions and services. This particular product that we launched today, Curis Health, it's a solution that we are developing for hospitals in India, Australia, and a few other countries. That's the purpose why we are here today. Sure. So we have been working on cutting edge technologies in healthcare space, like I said, for past 12 years in US. There are a lot of new things that we have seen, whether it is defining the standards, working with the standards, sharing data across, interoperability of the data. And then once the data is there, how do we do some analytics, some advanced analytics, predictive analytics to solve the healthcare issues, mainly with the cost, and ultimately the goal is to provide better care to the patient. And it also helps institutions like government and providers and payers to identify the risks for a population and address those risks. So given that we have all of that experience in working in US mainly, we thought we will implement some of those solutions and we'll present those solutions to the people who are coming to the conference here. So we'll be having a talk on this topic tomorrow morning as well. This is our first time. We are the silver sponsor. So we did our product launch today. Mrs. Sangeeta Reddy launched the product today morning, and tomorrow we are going to do the talk. So this is the first time we are here. It's very good. The logistics arrangements, very well organized conference. We have attended some talks. It looks like they have good number of speakers across the world coming from different countries, and they're all sharing their perspectives on how healthcare is working in those countries. So there are a lot of things for us to learn and implement them here in India. We are really not going to talk about our product. Our product is, the way I look, it's just the beginning. We have built a solution for complete automation of a hospital. It's a HIS system managing the administrative functions, but more importantly, managing the patient's health records electronically. That's just the beginning. Once we build the solution, once you have the data, how do we make use of this data for solving some of the future problems? So that is the focus of the talk tomorrow. So moving more from retrospective, reactive kind of a model to more towards proactive and more like prospective kind of a model is what we are going to talk tomorrow. Obviously, we are expecting to win some customers here. If not win, at least make some connections, tell our story, and I'm sure we'll get some good leads out of this conference. And we are looking for this more as a long-term thing. This is not a one-time thing. We have been in business for 13 years. Like I said, we are 12th fastest growing company in India. So this is just the beginning. Yeah, I think we had a lot of technology companies working in the similar space visiting us. But more importantly, I think we had about 10 or 12 different hospitals visiting us, learning more about our product, our solution. So yeah, absolutely.